In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Alibaba. We'll walk through creating your account, setting up your storefront, posting products, and handling orders confidently from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Alibaba. Click the official result to land on the home page. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking the URL and the secure padlock icon in your address bar. From there, choose the option to create a new account. When prompted to select your trade role, choose the seller or supplier option so your account is set up for selling rather than buying. Next, enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. Re-enter the password to confirm it matches. For the business details, add your company name, your full name, and a contact phone number you actively use. Accurate, consistent information helps with verification and builds buyer trust. Review the terms and policies, check the agreement box, and click to create your account. You'll then be asked to verify your email. Head to your inbox, copy the verification code you received, return to Alibaba, enter the code, and submit. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. Once you're in, set up your store. Upload a clear, square logo, choose a memorable store name that reflects what you sell, and write a concise description that highlights your strengths, specialties, and any certifications or quality standards you meet. Keep it professional and keyword rich so buyers can find you. Now it's time to post products. Click Post Products and upload high-quality photos with good lighting and clean backgrounds. Show multiple angles and any important details. Add your pricing, a thorough product description, specifications, minimum order quantity, and shipping information, like lead times and available Incoterms. Clear details reduce back and forth and increase conversions. To strengthen credibility, complete business verification by submitting the requested documents such as identification and your business license. Ensure scans or photos are sharp, accurate, and up to date to speed approval. Once your listings are live, respond to buyer messages quickly. Fast, clear communication helps you rank better and win more inquiries. Consider using built-in ads or promotions to drive traffic to new or best-selling items. Start with a modest budget, monitor performance, and refine your targeting as you go. When orders come in, confirm the terms and process them through trade assurance. This protects both you and the buyer, centralizing payment, production milestones, and shipment tracking. Pack products securely, share tracking promptly, and keep buyers updated until delivery. That's it, your Alibaba selling journey, from account creation to fulfilled orders. Take your time with each step, keep information accurate, and focus on clarity to build trust and grow sales.